What's up, guys? You watching another video? All right, before we start the video, you guys probably see by the title and thumbnail, this is not clickbait. Kind of clickbait. A little bit of clickbait. There's a new F80 on the channel. Unfortunately, it is not mine. Not mine yet, guys. You guys all know I want an F80 so bad. Believe me, I've been looking around, trying to scope it out, see if I find anything I like. Maybe we'll bring an F80 on the channel, I don't know, but as of right now, the homie David finally bought an F80, bro. I think he's outside right now. I have not seen the car yet. He showed me a couple pictures, but I've not seen it in person. If you guys remember, me and David went to go look at a couple F80s already. We looked at like a dark gray one, and then we looked at a white one. I like the red interior on the gray one. On the white one, I like that it was really clean, but both of those cars ended up falling through. He didn't get them. But now he found this one, and he said it's super clean, so I'm excited to see it. So yeah, I'm sorry if I clickbaited you guys a little bit, but like I said in the past, I have to clickbait a little bit, guys. I gotta get some viewers to watch the videos, and I'm not gonna completely clickbait you guys. Someone did get an F80, it's just not me. Not yet. Soon though, soon. Let's go check out this F80. I'm excited. Oh my God. David doesn't know how to act now. There's no way. Was it fun driving it?
Bro, I gotta cry that baby, bro.
You gonna cry it?
No.
This shit is sick. So guys, it's yellow. What is it called? Austin yellow?
Austin yellow, yeah.
It's pretty sick, honestly. I like this color because you don't really see it that much.
This shit pops out a lot, bro. I already got like 3 thumbs up.
Really? People are thumbs up with you?
Yeah.
It's the color, bro. I'm telling you, it's like unique. It's different. That's crazy. So yeah, he got an F80. This has a GTS hood, Vorsteiner wheels.
This is so bright.
I like the color. Honestly, this color is sick. It doesn't feel real? It took me a while to think it was real too when I got my GTR.
Bro, it doesn't feel real at all, bro. I'm so fucking happy.
I feel like you're renting it. This shit is crazy. Look at all the carbon fiber.
Pretty like high tech for like being a 2016.
It's good, bro.
2016, bro.
That's what I like about F80s. You can get a 2015, 16, 17, whatever. They're all the same thing. They all look like brand new. This car looks like a 2020.
It's PPF.
PPF?
Yeah.
That's good.
The bumper,
at least the front bumper's protected.
Look at the wheel gap, bro. I swear, once you lower it, it's gonna fucking make a fucking huge ass.
I know it's lifted, but it's alright once you lower it.
Look at that fucking gap, bro. We can put your hand and my hand. Yeah, we can put your hand on it too. So it's 2 hands.
That's crazy. You just gotta get like, even lowering springs will work. This thing is really clean. It's clean.
It's really clean, bro. Like the only thing is what I told you, and then that. But I mean, I'm probably just gonna get that carbon or something. Cause you can get that carbon, can't you?
What, that?
Oh, yeah.
You can get like Alcantara, I think. That's crazy, bro.
You guys wanna see him drive the F80 right now?
Crash it?
Huh?
Crash it?
Crash? Hell nah.
Does it feel faster than the Mustang?
I don't, bro. I haven't really pressed on it, cause.
Why are you scared, David?
No, I mean, bro, it does 100 real easy. Like.
You already hit 100?
Yeah, it's fucking easy. Like stupid easy, bro. You guys want some Vorsteiner's wheels?
You don't want them all.
Yeah.
No, they're not bad.
No, they're clean, but I mean,
but David just wants to make it his own, you know?
Yeah,
his own style.
All
right, well, yeah. If whoever has an F80 or any BMW, honestly, they'll fit on an E92. Anybody want these Vorsteiner wheels? David will sell them to you. They look really good, bro. There's no curb match or nothing.
That's what I'm saying.
They look brand new. Red caps, which is sick. If I still had my BMW, I probably would have rocked them. Yeah, if anyone wants some Vorsteiner wheels, he's selling them. Damn.
Sounds nice. He said it has the M performance fucking exhaust.
Oh my God. It feels fast.
Oh my God, damn.
It's too fast for David.
It's too fast for me.
Oh, hell no. It's just spinning, bro. Alright guys, it's my turn. My turn to mess it up.
Yep. I told you.
You watch my videos? No way.
Alright, too famous. Alright, you guys.
Like, no way, that's him.
My boy got caught up. My boy got caught up in the.
Damn, bro. No problem, bro. Hey.
Oh,
That's crazy how you spotted me.
It's
There you
because
go.
I used to play soccer and I was like, wait, is that him? Hey, congrats on the car, bro.
thank you, brother. Thank you.
That's crazy, bro. They really have clout like that.
Randomly?
Yeah, just random, bro.
That was crazy?
Bro, that shit spit. Go ahead. What the fuck?
That was funny how they get.
I told you. What I tell you? He was looking at you, bro.
I know, I saw him looking too and I was like, I couldn't tell. Well, honestly, it's been crazy. People have been recognizing me a lot lately.
I knew they recognized you, but he looks like I don't know. He'd be one of his subscribers.
Like today when I went to go get the U-Haul truck, the guy knew me too.
Oh, he knew you?
Yeah, he was talking to me as a regular customer, and he was like,
It's too dark.
did you get any like special cars today? I'm like, what do you mean? He's like, no GTR BMW. I'm like, what the fuck? I was like, what's my video?
Bro, people,
like, yeah.
Yeah, seat warmers in the back.
That's just crazy, huh? I'm telling you that.
You be f***ing back here. And if the girl's cold, you can just turn on the seat warmer.
It's fast, huh?
They're fast, bro. It's not even, it's all stock.
No, it's, yeah. I mean, other than the fucking he has like little intake, and then the exhaust. Yeah, and then the performance exhaust.
The voice sounds sick outside. I think you can't hear it.
I just like how it's not raspy, bro.
No, honestly, I like how the exhaust like this. Like, it sounds
Yeah, right?
Traction's not all the way off.
Huh?
It's not all the way off.
It's not?
No.
So that's like good?
Yeah. It didn't let me keep going.
Oh, it stops? A good thing you have money, bro. Something happens.
Now it's going off.
Oh, that's all the way off?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. See, now I know.
I let off, but it would have kept going.
This is nice, bro.
Yeah, this shit is sick. It's so
Oh,
fun,
when you have
bro.
a lip,
Oh my god. I know.
I'm gonna be scared, bro, when I have a
you'll
lip.
be going through them like this guy over here.
So much fun, like rear wheel drive and like the torque that it has. Ah, you got it, gas.
Ah!
Fuck
that's
this
how it
car. Fuck this car already.
What is all this stuff, David? What is all this? Lane switching?
Well, I need to look up YouTube videos on this car, bro.
We gotta watch some tutorial
I'm
videos.
used to that Mustang.
Oh, that was fun. Burning out. These cars are just so fun, bro. When you turn off the traction, you shift in a second, it just keeps spinning. I even went to third, it was still spinning. Congrats, David.
Thank you, bro.
Are you gonna start posting on Instagram now?
I'm about to change my name to F80 Dave. I'm about to go follow this bitch. I'm about to change it right now.
Come on, bro. David does not post on Instagram, but now that he has a car, maybe he'll post more photos of his car and start growing a page. I don't know. He doesn't post on Instagram. It's funny. He was making me teach him how to post a story. Remember?
Well, I don't even use it, but I'm not a social media guy.
Oh, shoot. But whatever. Go follow David. I'll leave his Instagram right here.
Aquí estamos ayudando a...
Alright guys, we just teleported over here. A lot of stuff happened since the last time I filmed. We filmed David's car reveal this morning, and then tonight I just picked up something crazy, as you guys could probably see in the background. Huge shout out to the homie Sammy at 1320 Rentals. He has a huge rental company. He's the one with the Aventador. If you guys remember, we wrapped it before. Crazy Aventador. But he has a car rental business, and he told me he has a red Huracan. It has FindingNick all over it, bro. So I had to go pick it up tonight, and we're gonna film hella content, bro. Tonight's just gonna be a tease, but tomorrow we're gonna film a lot more content. David wasn't the only one with the new car today. Traded the GTR in. Jordan, now would you trade your GTR for this one? My GTR. Would you trade my GTR for this? Would you guys do it? I want everyone's votes.
Fuck yeah.
You would trade my GTR for this?
Yeah, heartbeat.
Would you?
Bro, it's two different price ranges. This guy's tripping.
That's what I'm saying, Jordan. I think I would just take it just because it's a lot more expensive, but...
I mean, obviously with someone that knows how to do math.
What would you guys do? Would you guys trade my GTR for this? It is quiet though. It's completely stock, has nothing done to it whatsoever. It definitely needs an exhaust, bro, or something. Damn. Emily Rose is here.
Plug it.
Are we gonna race?
I beat this one now.
No, you put it on me. We should race them.
You gotta be, I'm down. I'm good.
Honestly, it'd probably be a good race.
Emily doesn't even weigh anything. I have fucking Trev, Jesus, and Jordan in the fucking car.
David has a car full of people. That's what's cool about the F80. It has 4 doors, 4 seats. You can put all your homies in there.
That's actually 5 seats.
5 seats, yeah. So 3 car seats in the back.
That's true. For him and Em.
For me and Emily's babies. You gonna drive it?
No.
Comment down below, guys. You guys want to see Emily drive it? I'll make her drive it tomorrow. You scared?
Yes.
Why are you scared? Honestly,
Because I'm scared in your GTR.
it's not fast. I mean, okay, it's freaking fast. I'm not gonna lie, guys. But I think my GTR is faster. You go. You go. Come on, baby. bro, I feel like losing traction. Honestly, the F80 is not that far away, which is pretty crazy. It's a fully stock F80 and a fully stock Huracan. Man, that shit looks so good, bro. I actually like the color. Never been a big fan of that color, but honestly, it doesn't look bad. It actually does feel really fast.
How do you open the trunk?
I don't know. Open it.
No, it smells really bad.
Where is it at?
I almost lost my breath.
Where's the trunk?
I don't know.
Look in there. Turn your light on.
Is it in the front? It's in the front.
Emily, there's an engine in the back. She's looking for her bags.
How do you open it?
Wow, the engine.
Feel me? I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.